criticized for giving too much of my life. They wonder if I lost my mind. I've emptied my bank accounts, charged to limits or lines to be found. Borrowed from friends and believers. So why do I what? Why do I put it all on the line?
Venga, va, venga, va.
Hola, què tal? Com anem?
Pues ahí teníamos, no sé qué era coñac.
Hola!
Deia, hola.
A miracle would be nice. Some things are worth sacrifice. Imagine the change you want to see. My vision would more than suffice. I've emptied my thoughtful doubts, climbed to new limits, blue sky all around. I move on with my friends and believers to a fountain that never runs out. So why do I what? Why do I put it all on the line? Music is an excess. Music leaves me